The universe of artificial intelligence is vast and ever-expanding. It is a realm where innovation knows no bounds, and the possibilities are as infinite as the cosmos itself. Like celestial bodies in constant motion, new stars emerge, illuminating the cosmos with their brilliance. These stars are the groundbreaking technologies and innovations that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Today, we witness the rise of such a star, a revolutionary AI chip that has sent shockwaves through the technological world. This chip is not just an incremental improvement. It represents a quantum leap in AI capabilities. This chip, with its unprecedented speed and efficiency, has the potential to reshape the landscape of deep learning as we know it. It promises to accelerate computations, reduce energy consumption, and enable more complex models than ever before. For years, NVIDIA has reigned supreme in the realm of AI hardware, their GPUs powering countless advancements in the field. Their technology has been the backbone of many AI breakthroughs, from self-driving cars to advanced medical diagnostics. However, this new chip has boldly challenged that dominance, demonstrating superior performance and capabilities. It has outperformed existing solutions in various benchmarks, proving that the future of AI hardware is more competitive and exciting than ever. It's a thrilling time to be exploring the cosmos of artificial intelligence, as we stand on the cusp of a new era fueled by this groundbreaking technology. The innovations we are witnessing today will pave the way for the AI-driven world of tomorrow, transforming industries and enhancing our everyday lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. In the race for AI supremacy, speed is paramount. We crave faster processing, quicker learning, and instantaneous results. This is where the new AI chip truly shines. It leaves even NVIDIA's top-of-the-line GPUs in its stardust. But what makes it so fast? The secret lies in its innovative architecture, specifically designed for the complex computations required by deep learning algorithms. This novel design allows for parallel processing on an unprecedented scale. Imagine a vast network of interconnected processors, each working in perfect harmony to tackle complex tasks. That's the power of this new AI chip. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a giant leap forward, unlocking possibilities we could only dream of before. To understand the true genius of this new AI chip, we must journey into its core, exploring the intricate workings of its architecture. This chip is not just a piece of hardware, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Imagine a bustling metropolis, with data flowing like traffic through its intricate network of roads and highways. Each piece of data is like a vehicle, navigating through a complex system. That's a glimpse into the chip's internal structure. It's a labyrinth of pathways designed for optimal efficiency. Traditional CPUs process information sequentially, like cars moving one after another on a single lane road. This method, while effective, has its limitations. GPUs offer some parallelism, akin to a multi-lane highway. They can handle more data at once, but still face bottlenecks. But this new chip? It's like a sprawling, interconnected network of superhighways, allowing data to flow freely and efficiently. No more bottlenecks, just seamless data transfer. This revolutionary design enables it to handle massive amounts of data simultaneously, breaking through previous limitations, accelerating the training of complex deep learning models and making real-time AI processing a reality. This chip is not just an upgrade, it's a game changer in the world of technology. DeepSeek AI, a pioneering force in the world of artificial intelligence, has recognized the transformative potential of this new chip and embraced it wholeheartedly. Imagine explorers embarking on a daring mission to uncharted territories, armed with the most advanced technology available. That's what DeepSeek is doing, leveraging the power of this chip to push the boundaries of AI research and development. They are integrating this revolutionary technology into their operations, from training their state-of-the-art AI models to powering their real-time data analysis platforms. The results have been nothing short of astounding. With this chip at their disposal, DeepSeek is poised to make groundbreaking discoveries and develop innovative AI solutions that can address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Section 5. Efficiency is king, a tale of two titans. In the cosmic dance of technological advancement, efficiency often dictates the victor. While raw power is important, it means little without the finesse and elegance of optimized performance. This is another area where the new AI chip outshines even the mighty NVIDIA GPUs. It's not just about speed, it's about achieving that speed while consuming significantly less energy. This is crucial, especially as we strive for sustainable technological solutions. The new chip's innovative architecture allows for a level of energy efficiency previously unseen in the world of AI hardware. This means lower operating costs, reduced carbon footprint, and a more sustainable future for artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where AI can analyze and respond to data in real time, making split-second decisions with unparalleled accuracy. This, once a distant dream, is now within reach thanks to the groundbreaking speed and efficiency of this new AI chip. The implications are staggering. From self-driving cars navigating complex environments to medical devices providing instantaneous diagnoses, the possibilities are limitless. This chip is not just an evolution, it's a revolution, ushering in an era of real-time AI applications that will transform industries and redefine our relationship with technology. The impact of this AI chip extends far beyond the realm of research labs and tech giants. It is set to revolutionize a multitude of sectors, bringing about changes that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. Its ripple effects will be felt across countless industries, each poised for a dramatic transformation. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to transportation, the potential applications are virtually limitless. Imagine a future where healthcare systems utilize AI-powered diagnostic tools to detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy, leading to more effective treatments and improved patient outcomes. AI can analyze vast amounts of medical data in seconds, providing insights that would take humans years to uncover. Financial institutions leverage real-time AI algorithms to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. This not only enhances security, but also improves customer satisfaction by offering tailored solutions. Manufacturing plants embrace automation powered by AI, increasing efficiency, reducing waste, and creating safer working environments. Robots and AI systems can work around the clock, ensuring that production lines are always running at optimal capacity. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential that this AI chip holds. The integration of AI into various sectors is not just an upgrade, it's a complete overhaul of how industries operate. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge, shaping the future of countless industries and redefining the very fabric of our society. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun. For years, NVIDIA has stood as the undisputed leader in AI hardware, their GPUs powering the vast majority of deep learning advancements. But with the arrival of this new AI chip, the balance of power has shifted. While NVIDIA's GPUs remain formidable contenders, the superior speed, efficiency, and real-time processing capabilities of this new chip pose a significant challenge. To stay ahead of the curve, NVIDIA will need to innovate at an unprecedented pace, pushing the boundaries of GPU technology to maintain their position at the forefront of the AI hardware market. The emergence of this new AI chip is a testament to the relentless pace of technological advancement. It's a reminder that the universe of innovation is vast and ever-expanding, with new stars constantly emerging to challenge the status quo. As we venture further into the cosmos of artificial intelligence, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries and technological marvels. The future of AI is bright, fueled by the spirit of innovation and the pursuit of knowledge that drives us to explore the unknown. This new AI chip is not the end of the journey, it's just the beginning of an incredible adventure.